Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Adil Senkoso and today my topic is and my video is for how to download and install Flutter. Today I start this series for Flutter playlist and we will learn about the new skills like a Flutter and build mobile application, desktop application and all kind application in beautiful way. So first of all choose your favorite browser and I choose my Google Chrome and now you can here search here Flutter download for Windows. When you download, first of all tap this link and search and click here and so start building Flutter native desktop application. Okay, so system requirements. First of all look this system requirements. So there is system requirements, minimum RAM memory, 8 GB recommend. So if you ignore this and now we are going download here. Okay, so I already downloaded, so I pause this and I go file location. So copy this and go in this PC and go in C drive and paste here. Give permission administration. So when you are download and copy paste here complete, so first of all you can extract all. Okay, so it takes some time, please wait. So if you have a no extract option, so go in browser and search here raw file extractor. Okay, so first of all this link here and download it. Okay, so you can go here and download it. Okay, so I minimize this, so this take a time, some time. 3% has been completed. And now you go in browser and search here Android Studio. Android Studio, download here and click the first link. There is official link of Android Studio developer. Okay, so here click download, accept it. This is the new version page to. Okay, so agree this, click check bars and agree this and download here. So now you can look this download options, download folder. So here is download. So I have already downloaded this, I mentioned this is already I have a download. So cut this and minimize this screen and check how percentage this are done. So there are 20, 22, 23. So this takes some time of your, this is depend on your system, on your device. So Flutter is requirement minimum 8 GB RAMs recommended or 4 GB RAMs and GPUs like a graphic card, else everything. So wait for this. %50 has been done. So 50%, 51, 52. This takes some time. So I pause this here and I pause my window. So you are looking this has a 98. So wait and complete this. 98% has been done. So this is follow this. First of all stream and download Flutter and paste in C drive folder. After extract this step 2, set environment variable past destination. So now we follow this. Okay, when this has been done, and open command prompt. Third step. Fourth step is our fix error Flutter doctor requirements, and 5 is install and run Android Studio in Flutter extensions. Okay, so please wait, there is a completed, get more time because my C drive has been space full, so it should take more time to complete this process to copy. Okay, so there has been, you are looking, this is has been done, and so I am going local C drive. So first of all, now you can delete, so now you can delete this, Control D, and I delete this zip file where I download it. Now I go in extracted file, and there is go Flutter. So first of all, now you go in bin folder. I mention here bin folder, and now this copy this path. So copy, Control C, and environment, and search here environment variables. Okay, and go in environment variables, and here is path, and edit this, and go in new and paste here. Okay, so okay, and okay. So now open command prompt, cmd, search here, and open as a run administrations. Okay, so now you can here search here where is Flutter. So he give you a size where he suggests where is Flutter. So now you can search here where Flutter dart. So he give you suggest where is Flutter dart. So okay, now you can search Flutter doctor, and wait, this take us some time. Okay, so follow these steps also. Okay, so it takes some time, so please wait. What is Flutter? Flutter doctor is the Flutter check where is the properly installed Flutter or not. So there is the process of, there is the doctor of Flutter. Okay, I hope you can understand this. So today is my first video and my English is थोड़ा weak. So मेरी English पे आप नहीं जाइए, मेरी English यहाँ पर थोड़ी weak है. So because I started my first tutorial. Okay, it takes some time, so please wait. So I pause this video because the video timing is the minimum. Oh sorry, excellent. So I am go here Bandicam, and here I pause. So here you are looking this, and this process has been completed. Oh, excellent. So there are some errors and there are missing, and they are give some errors missing to command line tools, and component is missing, and there is okay. So what is, so there is minimum process, so we can fix this. First of all, you can go here and Android Studio. Okay, go in more actions and SDK manager. Okay, now you can go SDK tools. So there is command line tools, so check bar this and apply this, and okay, there is 145.6 size MBs. So there is the process to download, take some time, so please wait. 18%, so there is helping take some time. Okay, now we're going to open command prompt. Okay, so Flutter, now our step is 4. So we are fixed error of Flutter doctor requirements. Okay, and after our final step is step 5, extension install in Android Studio in Dart, and run our first application. First applications of 5 platforms. Okay, so there is the process of how to download and install. The journey of this my tutorial is I given you how to, and I also learning about the new skills how to run Flutters, and there is how to code and what is the benefits of Flutter language, and there is the future of. So there is important to know, like Alibaba mobile application. Alibaba is the business application is made from also Flutter. Okay, so there is PUBG game, PUBG mobile, use community of Flutter packages. Okay, so there is 2 things, so focus this. And also Google AdSense is also made from Flutter. Okay, so now we are looking. So there is a required did not successful. There is this ID reading timeout. So finish this. There is a note. So there is not install, so I am getting some error, so I also fix this. So please wait, I pause this video and I fix this. Okay, so looking this, there is process has been complete, finished. So my also download is completed. You are looking now here, install. So now we go in command and cut this, and we also search cmd and run administrations. Okay, so okay, yes, and now here Flutter, give a command Flutter doctor doctor. So wait, okay, so there is a, now he's a giver now this copy this Flutter license, and there is second our, so paste here and enter. Okay, this is the Flutter license, so copy this and paste here also. So click Y and click Y and click Y and click Y and click Y. So all packages has been done. Okay, so now we are again Flutter doctor. So now we are check this, their process has been completed. We are getting some errors, so there is no issue found, our mission is successful. Okay, so first of all there is has been done, and now I am going in. Okay, this okay, and here is plugins. Here I am searching Flutter and install this, accept this, and also Dart install with her. So wait, please wait. So now restart my ID. Okay, restart now. It's take some time, so please wait. Okay, so I am going in new project of my Flutter. So here I enter my project name. So what is the I enter Flutter, I am going here Flutter SDK. First of all go here and give a location where your SDK has been downloaded. So go in C drive, there is I am in C drive, and here is Flutter. Where is Flutter? So find here Flutter, so there is Flutter, and okay this, and next this. So wait, if you choose Android, so there is a Java and you can build your Java application. Here is Flutter you can build multiple application in one code base. Okay, so I next there, so please wait. I pause this video because I have no timing. So there is I give you, there is go now in Flutter. When you click here and click here Flutter. Okay, so now okay this and go in next. So here enter your Flutter application name. So my application is my first application. Okay, so there is some options, so ignore this. There is big news, Android platform, one code base. You make application Android, iOS, Linux, Mac OS, web and Windows application. Create project offline. You can check bar this and click. Okay, it's your it's depend on your create Flutter project. So wait, please wait, just wait and looking. So here is first application in our Flutter. Okay, so it takes some time, so please wait. So our application is complete. So there is lib folder,